आज हम लोग देखेंगे विलियम कैक्सटन बायोग्राफी एंड वर्क्स। इसका बायोपिक एंड वर्क देखेंगे। विलियम कैक्सटन 1422 टू 1491। विलियम कैक्सटन वाज एन इंग्लिश मर्चेंट, diplomat and writer. He is thought to be the first person to introduce a printing press into England in 1476, and he as a printer was the first English retailer of printed books. During 1471-1472 at Cologne, William Caxton learned the trade of printing. Caxton and Conrad Manison set up printing press bricks. William Caxton printed a total of about 100 different works. He translated of about 24 books, all of them except on he printed. In 1438, he became an apprentice to prominent London mercer Robert Large. In 1469, he entered the service of Margaret, Duchess of Burgundy, the sister of King Edward IV. Margaret asked him to complete an English translation of Raoul Lever's History of Troy. Thus, the first printed in English was Caxton translations of Lever's called the Requiem of the Histories of Troy from French English. Caxton printed Chaucer translations of Boethius in 1479. Mallory wrote the author was issued from his presses in 1485. Venkan D. Orde became Caxton's successor on his death in 1491. For Caxton, Chaucer was the laureate poet. Caxton Chaucer जो था वो पोएट लॉरेट. द फर्स्ट इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ ओविड्स मेटाफोर्सेस. द फर्स्ट इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ ओविड्स मेटाफोर्सेस वाज आल्सो द वर्क ऑफ विलियम कैक्सटन. Caxton achieved the title of Governor of the English nations of merchant adventures. The name of Caxton printed press was the Red Fele. देख लें हम लोग विलियम कैक्सटन के बारे में, इसका बायोपिक एंड वर्क और इसका जो भी पोएट लॉरेट. ठीक है. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग.